Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how you can securely share your sheets in Smartsheet. Ladies and gentlemen, you want to share a sheet in Smartsheet, and we're going to do this securely. So let's go down to our sheet. This is sheet 1. You can see it's got a lot of valuable information in over here. To the right, you'll see a share button. Use the drop down. You'll have the option to share the entire workspace, but of course we're looking to just share the sheet. Go and click on that. And here you can see who has access to the sheet. This is me, and I have admin permissions. But if you're going to go into the add people by name, email, or group, let's say bob@gmail.com. We're going to add Bob. Bob will get a message, which is optional. And on the right, you can choose whether to give admin permissions, editor who can share, editor who cannot share, commenter, or a viewer. Now, all of these have different rules and permissions, so depending on which one you choose, those rules and those will be limited. You can also notify people, so everybody within this sheet will be notified, or you can just CC yourself. The default view will be the table view. However, you can edit this. You can change the default view, change the filter and the card view lanes, and just say save over here. Now, once you're done, you can add in more people that you'd like to share this with and change their permissions. You can go ahead, click on copy link. This will now be copied. You can also go ahead and click on share. This will give you the opportunity now to have shared that to those individuals.